Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Boulderstein. We back with another video. On today's video, I gonna show you guys how to remove a service light on a Polo Vivo 2016. And you know all the other Polos that are in that age group. I think it's on 2014 to 2018 or somewhere over there. Okay, but I gonna do it on my Polo. But before we can work in the car and on the car, I gonna need to wash the car. So if you want to just come here for the purpose of the video, which is to remove a service light, see here on the screen, this is where you're gonna find the time frame of where you must go to. But I gonna wash the car first. So we're gonna wash car, but I gonna put the phone down because the phone gonna die, because I did not charge the phone. I also gonna wash your shoes, bruh.
I'm trying to scrub it up, dude.
So it's been a couple of hours. I'm gonna show you how the car looks now. The car is clean. The car is clean. The car is clean. So now I'm gonna show you what you came here to the video for. Let's see if I remember how to do it. But yeah, what you need. So car keys. And you don't need a videographer because I have my videographer. So yes, let's do this. Show it visually.
Videoing.
So here's your keys. My nails are dirty because I polished the tires. One down, you fucking ashed on the car.
I told you I fucking did.
Yeah, but that time
I thought you were joking.
not even said no problem. I did something worse on the car. I don't know.
Come closer. So Can you see there? Can you see the spinner? You must see the spinner. See the spinner here? We're gonna remove it. So what you're gonna do is, so you're gonna come like this. Gonna see. No, don't go too far.
I'm not going too far.
You must be able to get
I
the
can
key
see
in.
your blue, your green eyes. It's fine.
So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna press and hold this button. See this button? Gonna press and hold it. You're gonna press and hold this button now. And you're gonna switch the key on and hold it in for 5 seconds until it flashes. Remove the inspection light now. See, you start a car, inspection light comes on. I done the service already. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna switch the car off, take a key out, press and hold this thing in. Turn the ignition on and start the car. Once you start the car, you turn this knob clockwise. And once you turn it clockwise, as you can see, there's nothing. Gone with the inspection light. Gone. So simple. A few easy steps. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that's how you remove a service light on a Polo Vivo 2016. Basically, almost any Polo Vivo that has this type of dash. So what you do is, once again, to reiterate, take the key out, press and hold this knob, put your key in, start it, start the car, and continue holding. Don't let go of the knob. And once the car is started, hold it in for like 5 seconds, because you saw how quickly it was on the video. And then let go and then turn it clockwise once, and then boom, para ping, para boom, pops your ankle. So yeah, that's it. Service light gone. This is the first time in a long time I'm doing an outro. But before I do an outro, I might just let you with a few cinematics of how nice the car looks now, with the car being clean, the new rims. And then after you watch the cinematic, go and subscribe to the channel, share the video, share the channel, and tell your people to subscribe. Because if you don't subscribe, your December is gonna be cut. Thank you.